Last week I posted about making the viral stuffed bagels at home because I don't live in Cali and I can't get my hands on them. And somebody left a comment like, well, that's big bag behavior. First of all, brother, ill. And secondly, who are you? Nobody asked you. I digress. Let me show you how to make them. And also, don't burn yours like I did mine because you got distracted watching your shows. Yeah. So first you're going to mix half a cup of softened cream cheese with 2 tablespoons of condensed milk and place that into a piping bag. I use a Ziploc bag. Then you're going to melt a stick of butter with some crushed garlic and you're going to set that to the side and slice your bagels. You're going to slice like almost until you cut it, but not really. Then make as much slices as you'd like. They say 5 slices, but I did a lot more obviously because I wanted it to be stuffed. Then you're going to stuff your bagels with the softened cream cheese, and then you're going to dip them into the butter and the garlic. I'm telling you, this was glorious. It was so good. You're then going to place them in a lined sheet tray. I would suggest you preheat your oven at about 375 degrees so that way you're just ready to rock and roll and pop your bagels into the oven once you're done assembling them. You're then going to top the bagels with some parsley, some flake salt, and a little bit of mozzarella. I didn't show the mozzarella because I forgot to record it. Sorry, guys. Honestly, I'm only laughing because I'm nervous. So if you're using an oven, it's going to take about 12 to 15 minutes. But if you're using the air fryer, do not put it in there for any longer than 8 minutes. I cannot rave enough how good these were. Like, honestly, if I could eat this all day, I would. As always, thank you so much for watching this video. If you're not following me, hit that follow button. Don't forget to like, comment, and share. And until next time, bye.